Alright, well, um, this is a long time coming. As I'm sure you already know, I haven't really been keeping up on my videos lately, as far as testing goes. Um, for one, I haven't had anywhere to test anything, and two, it's because I've been working on this monstrosity of a garage. Um, yeah, I've totally renovated my garage, so it's like a nice, clean environment. It's not all dark and dingy and kind of scary to come out to. Um, yeah, you're probably thinking this is like a totally different space, and in a sense, it is. It's really, a full circle. It's not even. It doesn't even feel like the same space anymore. But no, this is the very same garage that I did my first testing video in. So yeah, it's finally a finished space, and while we're on that, I also have a finished testing mount, or whole area, I guess. But yeah, really, really happy how everything turned out. There's still some cleanup to do here and there, but we've got everything pretty much sorted out. There's um, little finishing touches I have to do here and there, like outlet covers and stuff. And Josh, I swear if you mention above the door. Anyways, yeah, testing mount's pretty much complete. There is still kind of a mess of wires going on off camera, but all that matters is what you can see, I guess. Anyways, yeah, let's do demo mode. Now, the Hermosa model is one of those fans that, first glance, I really didn't care for any aspect of it. Just really, to me, only thing that really first thought to me was just Hunter Blanca. Just wasn't something I really cared for, but after I got it up and polished up and everything, I actually really do like it. That bottom faceplate is really cool. The way the blade arms kind of bend or whatever, I think is sort of neat. Switch housing cover is cool. Unfortunately, those do have a tendency of scraping on the blade arms. When they designed this, they really weren't designing it to. When they designed the switch housing cover, they really weren't designing it to accommodate the flex of the flywheel. So this was probably meant more for like a direct drive model, but they just rolled with it, I guess. I really love these honey oak blades. The motor housing is just so cool. Alright, and let's go through general settings. Starting on speed 1. Alright, let's go to speed 2. One thing I love about this is the board is, or the piezo on the board is actually really quiet. It's not too high pitched or low pitched. I think it's like perfect middle ground. The stealth is just obnoxious, and Panama room is like the Panama in my room, the 1987 antique Craftsman cane or whatever. That one's a little quiet. This is just like a step above. Speed 3. But like that venture where the piezo just doesn't even work. What else? Oh, Yeah, this does have some minor finish blemishes here and there, but I really can't complain because it was free, so. Speed 4. Yeah, I think it cleaned up pretty nice. It was quite dusty as it sat in my garage here in renovation, so. Speed 5. Yeah, I actually really like how this looks. Like, obviously it hangs pretty low, but it looks kind of cool in this setting. Let's do 6. Alright, let's do spin down. Yeah, these would actually look really cool on like a dual install, like a tri-install. Like a room where the ceiling kind of slopes to, you know, to a peak. Just have like, you know, a row of these. Like a family room or like a master bedroom. I just love the design of those fences, they're really cool. Yeah, spin down 10 is good. Yeah, bearings are solid on this. Dang, it just keeps going. Still going. Alright, well there's the 5-blade configuration. I'll be right back with the 4-blade. Alright, we are back with 4, and let's go ahead and give it a test run. Starting on demo mode. These are really cool with 4 blades. Like there's some fans where like to me, can, swing, left or right, 4 blade or 5 blades. Some fans to me are just 5 blade. This is one of those fans where like, obviously you could do 5 blades because it has that option. But I really dig the 4 blades. I think it just works. The spacing isn't like obnoxious with the blade brackets because of the switch housing cover. But I really do kind of like it. Alright, let's go ahead and go through general settings. Take a view around the fan. Really get to see that housing. Alright, general settings, starting on speed 1. Alright, speed 2. Speed 3. Speed 4. Speed 5. And speed 6. Yeah, listen to that thing whip. Actually seems louder than a standard fan of this size. Right, and let's do spin down. Yeah, this is one of those fans where if I was going to install it, I think I would do 4 blades. It just seems like a very 4-blade fan. I've seen similar models. I think Hampton Bay had something with like similar brackets. Like they don't bend, but they're like similar. And I think that fan's 4 blades, but I hate the light kit on it. I don't know what the name of it is. I don't really keep track of my Hampton Bay stuff. Yeah, I love this thing with 4 blades. I don't know why I have really bad luck with 4 blades. So like every 4-blade fan that I do tends to wobble. Just keeps going and going and going. And going. Alright, well there's the Posh Press Casablanca Hermosa. Hope you guys enjoyed, and thanks for watching.